Thermo Mixer, operation video. There are 8 compatible blocks available for different application. A standard package includes 1 block. How to install or uninstall a block. First, slot the rear of the block first, then lower the front. Then press the locking tab downward to lock the block. To uninstall the block, lift the locking tab, then pull the block up to remove it. The device automatically recognizes modules and displays the current module's name on the screen. How to edit a program. There are 3 quick programs. Tapping it can directly select it as the current program. Tap the Edit Program icon to enter program list. This icon key is only active when program operation is stopped. Tap the field to set the time, temperature and speed and turn on the settings. Tap Confirm to complete settings for this step. Repeat the settings for other steps as needed. Set start step, end step and cycle time. Set cooling rate or heating rate. Set program name. Tap Save to save the parameter settings. How to run a program. Select a program and tap Open. Tap the Start icon key to run the selected program. How to edit a quick run program. Enter the quick run interface. Quick run mode offers flexibility for simple mixing tasks. You can easily adjust the timer, temperature, and mixing speed RPM directly. You can press Next icon to go to the next step. How to calibrate the device. You can start calibration process or view calibration log on the calibration interface. First, load high boiling point sample, like glycerin, to several edge and center wells of the installed block. Tap Start Calibration to enter the temperature calibration interface. Select a calibration point and tap Start Calibration. The selected point will display wait, indicating the temperature is stabilizing. It will take 30 minutes for the temperature to stabilize and the input box will turn into input value. After the temperature stabilizes, insert the probe into each loaded well. Let it rest for 5 minutes before you document the temperature. Then, move to the next well. Enter the mean value of the maximum and minimum measurements. Tap Calibrate to confirm the calibration of this point. The check icon indicates the point has been calibrated. Calibration history can be viewed in the calibration log. System settings. Enter the System Settings interface. This is an optional setting for a heated lid. If a heated lid is not installed, an error will occur when the program runs. You can use the low temp storage function to keep your samples chilled after a program finishes. Just set the temperature between 4 to 20 degrees Celsius. A preheating function automatically heats the machine to your set temperature from 0 to 100 degrees Celsius as soon as you turn it on, so you can start your experiments right away. There are 3 timer modes. Choose the one that fits your experiment workflow.